Hello dear viewers, welcome to Kabul Al-Hammad Travels and Tourism. Kabul, the heart of Afghanistan, is a city rich in history and culture. It's a place where ancient and modern worlds collide, creating a tapestry of experiences that are truly unique. With its vibrant markets, historical monuments and warm, welcoming locales, Kabul is a city that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. So buckle up as we embark on this exciting virtual journey to explore the captivating city of Kabul. Kabul, a city with a deep-rooted history that dates back over 3,500 years. It's a place where the past and present coexist, where ancient traditions mingle with modern aspirations. Kabul's story begins in the Bronze Age, as an important regional center along the ancient Silk Road. Over the centuries, it has seen the rise and fall of many empires, each leaving an indelible imprint on the city's cultural fabric. The Greeks, Persians, Mauryans, Kushans, and Hephthalites have all ruled here, contributing to a vibrant tapestry of art, architecture and tradition. The advent of Islam in the 7th century brought a new wave of influence, shaping the city's religious and social landscape. The Ghaznavids, Ghurids, Timurids and Mughals each ruled in their time, leaving behind stunning architectural marvels that still stand as a testament to their reign. In the 19th century, Kabul became the capital of Afghanistan, witnessing a period of rapid modernization. The city's strategic location made it a focal point during the Great Game between the British and Russian empires. This period also saw the establishment of many of Kabul's most iconic landmarks, including the Darul Aman Palace and the iconic Gardens of Babur. The 20th century brought further change, with Kabul evolving into a cosmopolitan city. It became a hub for education, arts and music, attracting artists and intellectuals from around the world. However, this period was also marked by political instability and conflict, which has left a significant impact on the city. Today, Kabul stands resilient, a testament to its indomitable spirit. Despite the challenges, it continues to be a city of immense cultural richness, a melting pot of diverse ethnicities and traditions. The city's history is etched into its architecture, its food, its music, and most importantly, its people. The echoes of the past still resonate in the heart of this ancient city. Kabul is home to numerous historical landmarks that are must-visits for any traveler. Kabul, a city steeped in history, is a treasure trove of architectural gems and stunning landscapes. It's like stepping into a living, breathing history book, where each corner tells a story of times gone by. Let's explore a few of these intriguing places. First on our list is the Gardens of Babur, a serene oasis in the heart of the city. Named after the first Mughal emperor Babur, who chose this site for his final resting place, the gardens are a testament to the Mughals' love for nature and architecture. As you walk through the beautifully manicured gardens, you'll come across the marble tomb of Babur, a place of tranquility amidst the bustling city. Next, we venture to the Kabul Museum, a repository of Afghanistan's rich cultural heritage. Housing over 100,000 artifacts, it offers a deep dive into the country's history, from prehistoric times to the modern era. The museum's collection is a fascinating mix of Buddhist art, Islamic art, and historical weapons, each piece offering a glimpse into Afghanistan's diverse cultural tapestry. Our journey continues to the Kabul Citadel, also known as the Bala Hisar. Overlooking the city, this ancient fortress has borne witness to Kabul's changing fortunes over the centuries. Its high walls and towers offer panoramic views of the city, while its interior houses remnants of royal residences and a mosque. The citadel's imposing presence is a reminder of Kabul's strategic importance through the ages. But that's not all. Kabul's charm lies in its lesser-known corners too, the quaint tea houses, bustling bazaars and winding lanes, each with its own story to tell. It's a city where every brick, every street, every face has a tale to share. So pack your bags, put on your explorer's hat, and get ready to uncover the secrets of this historic city. Remember, these landmarks are just a glimpse of what Kabul has to offer. The journey through the captivating landmarks of Kabul continues. Our next stop on this virtual voyage is the magnificent Darul Aman Palace. This regal structure, whose name translates to abode of peace, echoes a grandeur reminiscent of Europe's great castles. Despite the echo of past conflicts in its bullet-ridden walls, the palace has been meticulously restored, standing as a symbol of Afghanistan's resilience and determination. Each corner of this architectural marvel whispers tales of Kabul's royal past, making it an unmissable destination for history enthusiasts. Just a stone's throw away from the hustle and bustle of the city, we find the Idgah Mosque. This mosque is not just a place of worship, it's the heart of Kabul's religious life, where thousands gather for Eid prayers. Constructed in the late 18th century, the Idgah Mosque is the second largest in the country. Its intricate design and expansive courtyard serve as a testament to the artistic prowess of the Afghan people. Here, faith and culture intertwine, painting a vibrant picture of Kabul's spiritual identity. Our final destination for today's journey is the Pagman Hill. Just a short drive from the city, Pagman Hill is a haven of tranquility and scenic beauty. Known for its lush gardens, serene waterfalls, and the iconic Victory Arch, Pagman Hill is an oasis amidst the rugged Afghan landscape. As you ascend the hill, you'll be greeted by a panoramic view of Kabul that's truly breathtaking. It's a place where nature and history blend seamlessly, offering visitors a chance to relax and reflect on the rich tapestry of experiences Kabul offers. Each of these landmarks, the Darul Aman Palace, the Idgah Mosque, and the Pagman Hill, are more than just tourist attractions. They represent the soul of Kabul, a city that's been shaped and reshaped by time yet has managed to retain its unique charm. Each landmark tells its own tale of time, culture, and history. It's these tales that make Kabul a city like no other, a city that invites you to explore, discover, and fall in love with its timeless beauty. Your visit to Kabul would be incomplete without indulging in its delectable cuisine. Kabul, the heart of Afghanistan, serves up a rich tapestry of tastes, woven with a delightful blend of spices, herbs, and unique cooking techniques that have been passed down through generations. The city's culinary scene is a mirror of its cultural diversity and historical richness, offering a gastronomic journey that's simply irresistible. First up is the city's signature dish, the Kabuli Pulao. This is not just any rice dish, but a royal feast that commands respect. It's a savory spectacle of long-grain rice, stewed lamb, raisins, and carrots, all cooked together in a symphony of flavors. The sweetness of the carrots and raisins perfectly complements the hearty lamb, providing a balance that's as harmonious as the city itself. Then there's mantu, an exquisite dish that's a testament to Kabul's culinary craftsmanship. These dumplings, filled with minced meat and onions, are steamed to perfection and served with a generous helping of yogurt, lentils, and a sprinkle of dried mint. Each bite of mantu is a burst of diverse flavors, reflecting the city's vibrant character. And let's not forget ashak, a vegetarian's delight and a culinary gem in the crown of Kabul. These soft, delicate dumplings are filled with leeks and served with a tangy tomato sauce, yogurt, and a dusting of mint. The contrasting flavors create a dance on your taste buds, making ashak a must-try for every food lover. Afghan cuisine is characterized by its unique blend of flavors, where no single ingredient overpowers the other. Instead, they work together in harmony, creating a taste that's as complex as it is delicious. The city's cuisine is a testament to its rich history and diverse culture, where every dish tells a story of tradition, love, and hospitality. The flavors of Kabul are as diverse and rich as its history. So when you visit Kabul, make sure to feast not just your eyes on its stunning landscapes and historical landmarks, but also your taste buds on its mouth-watering cuisine. It's truly a cultural and culinary journey you wouldn't want to miss. The heartbeat of Kabul is its people and their vibrant culture. Nestled amidst rugged mountains, Kabul is a city that thrives on diversity. It is home to many ethnic groups, each contributing their distinct traditions and customs to the city's cultural mosaic. From the majority Pashtuns to the Tajiks, Hazaras, Uzbeks, and others, each group adds its unique flavor to the city's cultural brew. Kabul's culture is not a static entity, it is dynamic and ever-evolving, shaped by its people's resilience and adaptability. Despite the challenges they face, the people of Kabul are known for their warm hospitality. Visitors often recount stories of how locals welcomed them into their homes, offering them food and a place to rest. This is a testament to the generous spirit of Kabul's people, a trait that has remained unscathed through the years. Traditions in Kabul are deeply rooted in the city's history. One such tradition is the celebration of Nowruz, the Persian New Year. This joyous occasion, celebrated on the first day of spring, sees Kabul come alive with music, dance, and feasting. The city is awash with vibrant colors, with people donning their finest clothes and homes decorated with fresh flowers. Another significant aspect of Kabul's culture is its art. From intricate carpet weaving to calligraphy and pottery, the city's artisans carry forth a legacy of craftsmanship that dates back centuries. Their works, often infused with symbolism and rich in detail, reflect the city's cultural depth. Music also plays a vital role in Kabul's cultural life. Traditional music genres like ghazal and qawwali are popular, with performances often held at cultural festivals and social gatherings. Modern genres are also gaining traction, showcasing the city's ability to embrace change while staying rooted in tradition. In essence, Kabul's culture is a vibrant blend of old and new, a testament to its people's resilience and their ability to adapt. It is a city where tradition and modernity coexist, where the past is revered, but the future is also embraced with open arms. Kabul's culture is a colorful tapestry woven with threads of history and diversity. No journey is complete without a bit of shopping. As we delve into the bustling markets of Kabul, the city's vibrant spirit truly comes alive. Each market here tells a tale, each stall a chapter, and every item a character. The air is filled with the scent of spices, the clinking of jewelry, and the soft rustle of hand-woven rugs. Let's begin our shopping adventure on Chicken Street. Don't let the name fool you. This famous market isn't about poultry but rather a cornucopia of crafts and curiosities. It's known far and wide for its traditional Afghan rugs. These aren't just floor coverings, they're woven stories, each pattern representing a unique narrative. From intricate geometric designs to bold tribal motifs, the diversity is simply astounding. Picking up one of these rugs isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in art and culture. Next we move to the sparkling world of the Bush Bazaar. Named after the former US President George Bush, this market is a treasure trove of electronics, clothing, and much more. But the true gems here are the pieces of jewelry. From chunky tribal necklaces to delicate filigree earrings, every piece is a testament to the incredible craftsmanship of the local artisans. The gleam of Afghan lapis lazuli, a deep blue semi-precious stone found in the mountains of Afghanistan, is a sight to behold and a must-have souvenir. Finally, your senses will be delighted by the variety of spices available in these markets. Saffron, cardamom, and coriander are just a few of the aromatic seasonings that you can bag to bring the flavor of Kabul to your kitchen. So, whether it's a rug that tells a story, a piece of jewelry that sparkles with the beauty of Afghanistan, or spices that hold the key to Afghan cuisine, shopping in Kabul is much more than a transaction. It's a journey into the heart of this city's rich culture and history. Shopping in Kabul is an adventure in itself, offering you a chance to take a piece of this enchanting city back home. Our virtual journey through the city of Kabul comes to an end. We've journeyed through time, visited historic landmarks, savored the delightful cuisine, immersed ourselves in the rich culture, and experienced the bustling local markets. Every corner of Kabul tells a different tale, each more captivating than the last. So, what are you waiting for? Come and experience the allure of Kabul for yourself. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time, safe travels.